Welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to reverse video in CapCut. So here I have my project and I want this second clip over here to be in reverse motion. What we have to do is click on the clip that you want to reverse and look at the editing option on the bottom. You have to look for reverse option. So you're going to scroll a little bit. You gotta look for reverse. Alright, it's over there. Click on reverse and the second clip will be processed to be in reverse. And you can preview it like this. So that's how you reverse a clip in CapCut. Thank you guys for watching. If you find this helpful, remember to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and leave a comment if you have something you want to share to us. I'll see you in other tutorial videos. Bye bye.